Make I watch
my
this
people,
video.
wonders they say shall never.
I will make I watch this video. Make I see what's in my eye.
These are white beds. You can't be feeding them.
This father, you see this way you watch like this now. This baby, according to the father talks say he gets some kind of bed where they visit the baby. He gets some kind of bed where they visit the baby. And the baby, they calm. The bed go come visit them. And no be even one bed, no be two beds. Sometimes they 2, 3, 4. Come visit that. Once they come, they know they gree come out. They go there where that baby dey. Even if you carry the baby, carry am up, the waka, the bed go follow am. The bed they dey for that baby, but the last for there. Until person go come carry am, throw am out, or person go come push am. What when I think about this, because I don't try make I reach out to this man. Make I know whether I go connect 2 of them. I go connect am with prophetess. Make prophetess explain this kind of thing give the man. Because this man don't they cry out, but the way they see the man just feel relaxed. Because this is not normal. How person go born pikin, bed go dey visit am. Bed go dey visit am. Make I just dey watch the video, make I see what I talk about. How is it possible? How is it possible? Because I don't try it, I don't reason this thing. Now I say make I bring this video up, make una think about it.
Wow.
The man they come and say beds they come every corner.
No,
all the time. Anytime we they leave the baby,
no,
bed they will come. It's just reason this thing because
these are white beds.
You can't the man online. Make I know the man particular handle. Make I know whether I go connect the man with prophetess. Make prophetess know what's they happen about between the baby and the beds.
But once you touch it now, it might fly. But if it's like this, it can be like this. You go and come back, it will not move. Yes, you see, it's like this. So it will not move. It will not go anywhere. It will be like this. But if you carry it out now, it will fly. But like this, it is. You will come and catch it. You carry her with this speaking. You will go everywhere. It will never fly.
See, for those of you asking, how does it enter? This can bed do. Which can bed do this?
Baby dog.
No, this one is baby dog. This one is baby bed. My big bed. So my small bed. Go. Go now. Video the bed. Which color it is? And at the same color with Nina about Pluto. See the tea. I swear to God.
Red tea.
She won't fly me. Nina, tell him to fly. Eh? Tell her to fly. No one fly.
You don't go.
Sure. Wow. What do?
Leave him,
No, let me release it.
Leave him.
No, let me release it.
Because it's not normal. This is not normal. Guys, what you guys think about this? Drop your thoughts about this video. Make sure you drop your comments, drop your thoughts. Share this video. Share this making reach others because honestly, we need to help this man. We need to help this man. Make I know how I go take connect the man with prophetess. Please think about this video and drop your comments. Make I just watch the video. Make I just watch the video because the man don't tell why don't they see this man videos online. And then the man they talk see people they even think say the content they do just and say the man go live. Come go live. Make people they see him for live stream. You know go see the video. Make I just continue to watch the video. Make I continue to watch the video. This thing is getting. I think at this moment now, this man need to do something about this because if sometimes the man go dey tell the baby there is something between you and this bed that you are not telling me. What is between the man go dey ask the baby based on. Guys, think about this and tell me what you figure out about what is happening between the baby and the baby and what's the sign about this thing. Because me say if I don't tire, I don't make I reach out to the man. Now I go take connect with Prophetess. Please, if you any way you know this man or you hold his contact, reach out to me. Reach out to me. We see my WhatsApp number in the comment section.
Look at the color of her clothes. Look at the color of her clothes. Look at the color of her clothes. I came inside room. Window closed. Window closed. I saw. Look at one. Look at one. I saw 2 beds. Look at one. There are 2. There are 2. I'm certain it is 2 beds I saw. It is 2 beds I saw. Yes. Look at one. Look at one. Now, I closed the room because this time around, I want to catch these 2 beds. I want to catch them and I want to know what... These are different, totally different beds. Look at. Look at. It's totally different from the ones that even came here before. The surprising thing about this bed is look at her clothes. Look at her clothes. Look at the color of the bed. God. What is happening? What is happening? Look at the color of her clothes. Look at the color of her clothes. Look at the color of the 2 beds. Look at the 2 beds. Window closed. This window closed. I entered. The beds were flying. I closed the door because I want to capture these 2 beds today. Because this one is looking like the clothes. This is no longer funny. Truth be told. At this point, I'm scared. This is no longer funny. This is no longer funny. You want to stand up? Where do you want to stand to? This is no longer funny. Bets, this is no longer funny. This is no longer funny. I'm not laughing with you. Where are these beds coming from? This one, these beds look, they are wearing the same clothes with you. Jesus, these clothes, these beds are wearing the same color. No. There's something you're not telling me. These beds are wearing the same color of clothes with you. There's something you're not telling me, young girl. This is not funny. This is not funny. People think I'm doing content. Do I go and buy these beds? Where do I get these beds from? Where do I get these beds from? There's something you're not telling me. Seriously. Look at that clothes. Look at the color of the beds. God, what is happening? What is happening? Look at the color of our clothes. Look at the color of our clothes. Look at the color of the 2 beds. Look at the 2 beds. This is no longer funny. Truth be told. At this point, I'm scared. This is no longer funny. Now, to those of you that are saying the beds are cut, look at them. Look. I came inside. See. This time around is 2. Look at them. Look at it. This is a live video. This is a live video I'm making. This is a live video. Look at. Look at. Jesus. Look at the color of her clothes.